How to search for all files containing a word in Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to your Windows section or Windows icon, whether you are using Windows 10 or 11, and simply right click on it and just click on this File Explorer. So once you click on your File Explorer, just click on any simple random words which you might find on any one of your Word documents or letters. And once you're searching for that, you can see there is an option called search option. So just tap on that and make sure you click on enable the file contents only. That means you check this file contents. If you haven't already checked it, you just select this, and once you select it, try researching this just like this, and it will appear all of your Word document files with the specific keyword just like this over here. So, or it may take a lot of time to load based on how many files you have with that particular letter or inside Word. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.